Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we went to Karura Forest for a picnic for lunch. There is a Kiambu Road entrance and a Limuru Road entrance depending on your location for accessibility and such, and it's quite affordable because we paid 100 bob each and the baby was not charged, and if you have a car you're going to get to pay 300 bob. So I think it's a cool plan because it has an array of activities. There's a footpath for walking, you can cycle your bicycles, you can come. If you don't have bicycles, you rent them out. There's a site for picnics, there's a waterfall. Yeah, let's see what it has to offer. Hello, walk baby. Yes mama. Oh, doggy, kimbia. Walk. Come baby. Yeah? Come. Yeah? Doggy. Aita umatoto. Oh? Sawa. Ona doggy. Ona big doggy. Kuja doggy. Isikukule. Kuja. Nasema the dog was afraid of the phones. Kuja mama. Come to mama. Hello. The sun was out, the weather was right, it was just a perfect evening, a perfect afternoon. We got there a bit late. I wish we could have gotten earlier, but next time we'll be on time. Usiingia hapo utakula na dogi mam. Umeona a big dog? So this is the picnic site. There's an area of activities that you can do here. You can come for lunch. You carry your own lunch, you come and have it here. You can also have team building activities here. You can have your chama meetings here. As we were having cake for my baby's birthday here, and the site is very beautiful. It is very natural. There are trees all over. It is clean. There are no polythene. There are no takataka hakuna. It's very clean. Very impressive, very fresh. You can feel the nature. It is very beautiful. And there are swings you can swing, by the way. Chungu sianguke, nisikuchape badly. Me being me, I had to try swinging with the baby, but it was kind of impossible, but I really tried. Because I wanted her to feel the experience and she did not want to do it on the baby's side. I think she's afraid, which is normal, which is expected. It's not her first time, but I don't think she's acquainted with, she's gotten used to that feeling of swinging. So I had to carry her, and yeah, it was nice. After really trying to swing with the baby, which was an epic fail, I kind of gave up. So I decided, okay, let me enjoy the swing by myself, bring out my inner child, reminisce on the old days, like seriously. And it was very beautiful. It is placed in a place where there is trees, the environment is clean, you can feel the fresh air, you can feel the serenity. It is just beautiful. It was an amazing afternoon and I really did enjoy myself. We really did enjoy it. As we were doing this, we were waiting for my friend who was on her way and she was really taking her time. And yeah, because we had to wait for her, we got engaged in other activities like this swinging. People got the slides. We also did the slides, but I did not record that because it's kind of illegal for adults to do that, because there's a ranger who comes and gets you out of there very, very fast. So we had to stick to the swings for a while. But yeah, if you have babies, you just bring them to KARURA. They will really enjoy themselves. Carry your snacks. And yeah, because they can swing, and after swinging they can do slides, they can do all those small activities the babies will enjoy. So this was the picnic site that we had chosen. It was a bit messy, but anyway, we had 2 babies, so it is very allowed, because Joyce had her baby and my baby as well. That is Rose, and it was a beautiful, beautiful scene, by the way. A beautiful afternoon, a great way to spend a Sunday. Pretty, so beautiful. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Jerry. How old are you now? Jerry, how old are you? 2. How old are you? How old are you? How old is baby? 2. Yes. The cake was simple but very tasty. I really got into it with the chocolates. They were very tasty. The round table moshene before we cut the cake. The father had disappeared briefly, so we were actually waiting for him. There's a team there that was also doing team building. So you can bring your friend, you can bring your friends, you can bring your family. How old are you now?
2.
How old are you now?
2.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jerry. Just kula keki mama. Happy birthday, baby Jerry. Kuja mam. Kuja.
Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki sio ugali. Sio kata kwenye furaha leo ni siku yenye furaha.
Sugar rush iko karibu kukikina.
Yake aumisho na fork. Ikopi fork. Nilikuwa nafaa kumisha na fork. Na fork. Sasa.
That was basically it. You cannot carry mihadarati, drugs, alcohol to KARURA. They are not allowed. So we did our cake, ate our lunch, and now we left. The baby had to enjoy some slides before we leave kabisa. She was really, really enjoying herself. It was an amazing day, an amazing afternoon. Thank you for my family and friends. I am grateful. Beautiful place. If you have time, go check it out. It is amazing. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's grow this channel. We continue doing more adventures together.